The woman caught in adultery. Early one morning, Jesus was teaching in the temple. Many people were sitting around him, listening to his words. Suddenly, a group of religious leaders and teachers of the law came pushing a woman forward. They threw her in front of the crowd. She looked afraid and ashamed. They said to Jesus, "Teacher, this woman was caught in the act of adultery. The law of Moses says we should stone her. What do you say?" They were trying to trap Jesus. If he said to forgive her, they'd accuse him of ignoring the law. If he said to stone her, they'd say he had no mercy. Jesus didn't say anything. Instead, he bent down and began writing with his finger on the ground. The crowd watched in silence. The leaders kept asking, "What should we do?" Then Jesus stood up and said, "Let the one who has never sinned throw the first stone." The crowd went silent. One by one, the people dropped their stones and walked away, from the oldest to the youngest. They all left, until only Jesus and the woman were left. She stood there, shaking. She didn't know what Jesus would do. Jesus looked at her and said gently, "Woman, where are your accusers? Has no one condemned you?" She looked up and whispered, "No one, Lord." Then Jesus said, "Then neither do I condemn you. Go now and sin no more." His words were full of love, not just forgiveness, but also hope. He didn't shame her. He didn't allow others to destroy her. He gave her a new chance. That day she met the true heart of God, mercy, grace, and truth. This story shows us that Jesus doesn't push away the broken. He doesn't shame sinners. He sees the heart and he offers mercy with truth. He forgives, but he also calls us to change and live a better life.